know I only do this for you guys, right? Alright hobbits, brand new geocache, and it's dirty. So this one is located at the Mentors fill station right before you hit the N2 highway. And it's a bit dodgy. Lots of muggles, security guards on duty, and there's 24-hour surveillance cameras. So we could get busted. So the last entry in the activity log was on the 4th of September 2023. That's just a couple of days ago. Found it. The one before that was on the 21st of February 2023. Also found it. So I reckon it could be quite easy, but we gotta watch our asses. Alright, and let's just see if there's a hint. The owner of this geocache did not leave a hint. Alright, no hint. Right, so this is gonna be a quick one. We're gonna go in, get it, and get out before we get busted. Difficulty 1.5, terrain 1.5, size micro. Alright, here we go, hobbits. Alright, look at this little boat. And they've turned the whole thing into a little garden. That's really cool. Right, 7 meters. Alright, let's go around this side, see if we can get in this garden. Alright, here we go, here we go. 2 meters. Wait a second. Let's have a look in here. No, there's nothing in there. Okay, 1 meter. Right, wait a second. Let's have a look here. Oh, just look at this. Here we go, guys, here we go. Look at that beautiful smiley face. Alright, it says here, JB rocks, re-hide me or keep me. There's nothing else in there. That's weird. There's nothing else in there. It's just a little rock. So where's the log? Let's have a look in here. In the garden, maybe. No, I don't see it. Now, it did say in the description to be very careful when searching for this one, as to not damage the garden. The people who built this little garden is very proud of it, so we gotta be really careful. Alright, I really don't see anything, man. So where's the log? No, it's not there. It's not there. That's it. That's all that's there is that little stone. So, where's the log? I'll tell you what. It's gonna look on the other side. There's another tire. Let's go around this side. Here we go. Alright, here's the other tire. No, there's nothing in there. Nothing. Okay, there's nothing in the other tire. And I've looked all over this damn boat and I can't find any log. So that's pretty new for me. Alright, well, that's the first for me. It's the first time I found a geocache without a log. It's kind of weird. Okay. That is weird, to say the least. But, okay. It's possible that that could be it. I don't know. I looked over that whole damn boat and I didn't find a log sheet. It's only that stone. Well, I'm gonna log it as found. And I'm just gonna say no log sheet. Only a stone. Okay, well, we didn't find a log sheet, but we did find that little stone, so I guess that's it. Well, there you go, guys. Another one down. And I'm out of here, so thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look